Hey guys, it's Cole from Berg Peaks here. In front of me, I have our 958.1 and 958.2 Cayenne transmission cooler kit that we offer. This kit is a full bolt-on kit to the car using OEM mounting points, and not only does it add extra capacity for the transmission cooler, but we're also increasing the size of our cooler so we can keep our transmission temps where we want to. If you're off-roading your Cayenne with larger wheels, or you're doing heavy off-roading or even towing, sometimes the transmission temp will get very hot. The reason we have that, it gets hot, is because we don't have a low range transfer case in those vehicles, so we don't have lower gears. So when it gets too hot, sometimes on the dash, it'll get to a certain point where it'll even say, warning, transmission in limp mode, see workshop, transmission temps too high. So we didn't want that when we're off-roading, because then we have to wait for the transmission to cool down to keep going where we want. So we created this kit. This kit goes in line with the return line back to the transmission for the gear oil. The input where we put this is after the thermostat. So this transmission cooler won't affect how the car warms up or operates, and it'll be thermostatically regulated, which is awesome. But this bracket that we've created here bolts onto OEM mounting points behind the grill, and then we plumb it in using these special crimp fittings that we make, that we weld, and so they're all TIG welded in Colorado, and then you just have to plumb everything in. This kit adds about 0.6 liters of capacity to the system, so we usually recommend adding this cooler when you're doing a transmission service so you have the proper level, or if you're not doing a transmission at the same time, transmission service, make sure you set the levels when the car is running. Love this kit, quality product, quality set trap cooler that we use. Ever since we put them in our cars for the 958 chassis, we never get that warning back on the dash, and the transmission temp is exactly where we want it to be. So pick up your transmission cooler kit on our website at bergpeaks.com.